Hello everyone, today we'll be installing eBay smoke side markers on a 2023 BRZ. These side markers are around $40 on eBay and Amazon. Do you think they look good, or would you rather spend the extra $100 for JDM clear side markers? Let us know in the comments. These are the tools you'll need: a trim remover, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm wrench. First, turn the wheel so you'll have easy access to the wheel well. There are 3 pop clips you'll need to remove to access the side marker. Press in the center tab of the pop clips to release them, then use a screwdriver or a trim remover to pull them out. Pull back the plastic flap. You'll need to remove the electrical plug and the 10mm nut. There are tabs on the top and bottom of the side marker that will have to be pressed in to release it. Pop in the new side marker. Reattach the nut and the electrical plug. Press the pop clips back in and lock them by pressing the center tab. And you're done! Please like and subscribe for more BRZ content.